Learning Birds, this is Mr. Ozarka with another lesson brought to you by LearningBird.com. If you have any questions about the following video, you can email me at mrozarka@gmail.com. Alright, here we go. Alright, so this is going to be a video on how to construct a perpendicular bisector. Constructing a perpendicular bisector basically entails drawing a line that cuts a line segment in half at 90-degree angles, kind of like this. Before showing you how to do this, we need to go over some important vocabulary terms. The first term we're going to talk about is perpendicular. Perpendicular basically means, as an adjective, it means at an angle of 90 degrees to a given line, plane, or surface. The next vocab term is bisector. Bisector is just a line that divides something into two equal parts. And lastly, if we combine those, a perpendicular bisector is basically a line that divides a line segment into two equal parts while making a right angle with the line segment. Alright, so here we go. These are the steps for constructing a perpendicular bisector. Step one is you're going to want to draw a line segment if one is not already given. As you can see here, we have a line segment AB. Step two, using a compass or an equivalent circle maker on Geometry Sketchpad, draw a circle with point A at its center and line segment AB as its radius. Step three, you're going to want to repeat step two, only with a circle that has a point B at its center and a line segment BA as its radius. Step four, the circles will intersect at 2 points, so what we're going to do is label those C and D. Step 5 is you're going to create a line or a line segment CD. This represents the perpendicular bisector. Line segment AE has the same length as line segment BE. Also, angle CEA and angle CEB both have the same angle measurements of 90 degrees. Therefore, line CD represents the perpendicular bisector for line segment AB. Please note that this video simply shows the steps for making a perpendicular bisector and is not a geometric proof. This will be explained in a later video. So you might be thinking, who cares about constructing perpendicular bisectors? Well, geometry yields one of the clearest, surest, most logical ways of thinking available to us. Studying geometry reveals the simplest, most basic, deepest, true essence of the physical world. Thus, learning geometry trains the mind in both clear and rigorous thinking. So that's how to construct a perpendicular bisector. If you have any questions about anything in this video, let me know. And if you thought this lesson helped you, please be sure to click "This was helpful." For other great lessons, be sure to check out LearningBird.com.